This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Rennie. Recently upgraded home situated on 1.4 acres located in Prince George County. This home features an open floor plan and has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. New vinyl plank flooring throughout most of the home. Recessed lighting in the kitchen, living room, and dining area. In the kitchen you will find stainless steel appliances and a newly added coffee bar with a beverage refrigerator underneath. The hall bathroom has just been freshly tiled and painted. Both bathrooms have new flooring and vanities. Outside of the home you will find a great back deck, new rock on the recently graded driveway, an oversized 2-car garage. The garage is insulated, has electricity and a window unit. Bring your boat or jet skis because this home is only 4 miles away from Jordan Point Marina. Only 20 minutes to Fort Lee and 35 minutes to Richmond. For more information, review the details below.